Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. The markets came roaring back today. If you're new to the page, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Let's get the likes up on this one. Hey, listen, it has been a exciting actually week in the market. A lot of analysts were expecting for big tech to be bigly tanking, and now they are like, because these big tech companies have been coming back with a roar. It's been pretty good. Let's look, good people. Look at here. As we could see on today, the Dow closed a point and a half. S&P almost 2 points. NASDAQ 2.5 points almost, as you could see on your screen there. So the indexes or the indices really do like what's happening with these reports. And so do I. All right. And I know you guys do too also. If you got into any of these plays for earnings and you played according to the earnings, expecting earnings to be good or earnings to fall, please leave me a comment. Let's see what you guys have going on. All right. So what do we have today? We had Amazon, right? So Amazon reported. Amazon is actually doing okay, but there is some looming news after hours as far as Amazon with the cloud. So sometimes things are not always as they were the next morning due to the close. So I want to show you guys something that's interesting. All right. So I got this morning. Amazon expected to see slower growth as it continues to pare back. Okay, you could see all of this. It's expected to report stalling sales growth in first quarter after demand fell for cloud. All right, so for cloud, okay, and so I get it. I read this and I'm going, okay, so this is a negative report because you and we're looking on how we can make money on these plays, right? Then what happens is, look at this, good people. Let me just show you. And then what happens right after closing bell, Amazon ran up, and then this comes in. Amazon stock dips as uncertain cloud outlook overshadows revenue beat. All right. And so the report was good, but for those of you that bought the rumor, sold the news, meaning that you got into Amazon and you sold before the earnings, you actually made money. Okay. If you played it right. Let's see. Let's see here to Amazon. As we could see, leading up to, not much, but it did go up in the last day. Of course, it was up today about 4.6%. Now here after hours, it is down 2.5% because of the cloud miss. Okay. And so, not much. Still, the bulls win because you're up twice as much as you are down after hours. Okay. So let me know if you got in on this play, right? Let me show this to you guys. I'm sorry. As you could see here, it's up twice as much as it is down. That's what I was trying to show you guys. All right. So it's up 4.5% today, but after hours, which we still have about an hour left for after hours trading. Let's see if this holds still. All right. Because of the miss on cloud. Right. So what else we got going here? So here's some of the stuff that's going on right now. Amidst cost cutting, Amazon stock down as first quarter results beat. Okay. So it was a good report, a good earnings. I'm not going to play it. I think I'm starting to get in trouble for playing some of these clips. So I'm going to pull back a little bit and let's see how far this goes. But either way it goes, it's a good day when you close the Dow up 512 points, the S&P up almost 2%, and then the NASDAQ, I would call that a win. How about you? Now, let's look at the pre-markets for tomorrow morning. As we could see, the pre-markets are down. This really doesn't mean anything at this point after such a robust close. as we can see in the pre-markets at the time. This is Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, or should I say 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. As you can see, the Dow is down 22%. As we can see, NASDAQ and S&P. Now, this early, it is too early to tell. This doesn't mean anything. I see this as flat. Now, if it was down 300, 400, 500 points right now, then that's something to raise an eyebrow at. But it really didn't. So let's talk about something else. GDP. GDP report shows economic growth slowed in the first quarter, right? So GDP is slowing down. What we were looking for was 2.0, and it came in, I believe, at 1.1. So GDP, gross domestic product, is slowing down, right? Then you have the credit thing that's going on that is also bad. So I like to look at the good news, I like to look at the bad news, and I like to make decisions, right? And so Credit Suisse lost like $68 billion last quarter with a B, all right? And then, of course, the government tried to backstop everything with our money. They say it's not a bailout, okay? Okay, it's like that song, Don't Call It a Comeback, all right? But it's a comeback, all right? So these are some of the longer view things that we got to keep in mind. The yield curve is still inverted. There is still a deeper recession coming. But while that is happening, these earnings are coming out with beats, okay? These earnings are doing their job, and they're surprising a lot of these analysts. And to be honest with you, I'm a little surprised at how good they are, all right? I thought maybe flat at best, but I didn't expect them to be this good. Now, what do we have left? We have Amazon that reported today, right? And let's see what the morning tell us. So far, even with the gains and losses, it's up about 2%, right? So we have tomorrow, we have Exxon. Now, in this entire week, I didn't really play anything. You know, I really didn't. With all of this big tech, I really didn't. But I will tell you that I did a small play on Exxon Mobil, right? And I was out. My in-laws were up. So for the first day, and I don't know how long, I took a day off and spent time with my in-laws and my wife. And I entered into an option play while I was out on Exxon Mobil. Okay. So I said I was going to cap it off at about $1,000. And to my surprise, I did not think it was going to do much because it was late in the hour when I did the option call. But I was thinking, you know what? Oil is up, right? Gas is up. Even though it cooled down here in the Midwest in the last few days, the reports are off the reports are off of last month, right? Last month, it actually started to rise. So I felt like Exxon will be a good play. So I actually just dipped my toe into it. And I did an option play, and I did two different options, right? And I went to lunch and I came out, and to be honest with you, I was shocked. So as you could see, I had about $1,400 at risk, and the 117 actually was up 25%, and the 118 is up 52%, right? And you guys know what I was thinking. I should have went in heavier. That's the wrong thing to do. That's how you lose money. Now, there are times when I go in way heavier, but I wasn't 100% sure. So I just limited my exposure. All right. So as you guys know, I do these option plays. And if you want to learn how to do option plays like this, make sure you download the top link below. Just learn and earn, good people. Just learn and earn. It's easy. It's simple. I break it down. My theory is talk to me like I'm 3. You will get it. You will understand, and you will make money. Here's what I don't do. I don't get in all of the plays. I didn't do any of the earnings this week. I just pointed to where you guys could make money. I could have made a killing on First Republic, but I just did something very small, right? And I didn't. And I asked you guys, what are you doing? And I just kind of shine a light and point in that direction. So I missed all of the big tech. I didn't get in because I didn't know what to expect. Okay. And I'm just going to keep it real with you guys. So what I didn't do was put my money at risk. So I wasn't sure. I know a lot of you guys made a lot of money. You were leaving me comments, and I am happy for you. But I'm also happy that I didn't lose any money. So I'm talking to you guys that think you may have missed something. I missed all of these big earnings. They all came in good. But I only move when I think I got something or at least a leg to stand on. And with oil, I thought I had a leg to stand on. Now, I put a stop loss on it. And I'm going to be quite honest. I should have sold because you guys that know me know I'm about buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor that something's going to happen and sell it before the news happens. But what I did do, and this is the lesson, is I put my stop losses on both, right? So now, tomorrow morning, this could tank, and hopefully it will trigger a sell order on both of my positions, right? But I was out, I was enjoying family, and closing bell happened, and I forgot to cash out. So if I get wiped out, I'll be honest with you guys, and I'll let you guys know. But if I get stumped out, then that's good. All right. All right, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. I know this one is late. I just wanted to put something out there. And remember, learn and earn. Download the top link below. But listen, it is not more important to have your money at risk. It's more important to save your money, get in less plays, but get in plays that you think you can make a little money. And then set your stop losses, whether you do options or straight stock or straight trades. Just learn about stop losses. I've done many lessons on stop losses for those of you that are new. Let's get those stop losses set. Let's protect our gains and let's limit our losses. All right, good people. All right. We'll see you tomorrow morning live. Live, love, laugh, and learn.